Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello, adventurers! In this video, I will explain how to get the Time King in Arise crossover. The only way to acquire this incredibly powerful shadow is by first conquering his boss form. You'll find him deep within the Dark Dungeon, located on the Lucky Kingdom Island. Once you successfully defeat him, you'll then have the chance to recruit him to your team. It's a tough journey, but absolutely worth the effort for such a formidable ally. Now, let's talk preparation. The Time King boss is no pushover, boasting an immense health pool of over 2 quadrillion hit points. To stand a chance, your entire team needs to achieve a combined damage per second in the tens of trillions. A top strategy involves recruiting at least 4 wind shadows from the Lucky Kingdom overworld, as they can collectively deal more than 10 trillion damage per second, helping you overcome this colossal foe. To truly maximize your Time King's potential, aim for the SS Plus rank. The most reliable method is to collect every rarity version, from E rank all the way up to S rank, and then merge them. This process ensures you get the SS Plus Time King, which boasts significantly higher stats, reaching up to 352 billion damage. While you could try for a lucky direct drop from S rank dungeons, merging offers a more consistent path to power. Finally, a few crucial points to remember. The Dark Dungeon has a strict time limit, so speed is essential for multiple attempts. Be aware that resetting the Lucky Kingdom dungeon will cost you a hefty 10 billion gems. While his base damage starts at around 600 at level 1, a fully leveled Time King can reach approximately 30 billion damage at level 200, making him an invaluable asset to your roster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.